Wahala be like bicycle. Hey, one prophetess don't come outside. They tell us the things where God they show her and things where God never show her. They claim say she don't go hellfire and she get the update on where TB Joshua and Bishop Benson Idahosa where they deal. And know say most of them go don't know this and know these two prophets, and all of us know say these two people don't die. And then they be powerful men of God. Now this prophet claims say as she go hellfire, now there she see our TB Joshua and Benson Idahosa, they weep, they cry. Claiming say these people they born in hell. Say because of what he say chair where they wear. Now waiting carry this man now enter inside hellfire. For my people who never hear this one, they can follow me watch.
I have been to hellfire. I have felt the pain, the torture. I don't want to go there and be burnt for everlasting. No, I don't want to go there. I saw the body of TB Joshua in hellfire. Idahosa is tormented in hell today because of ring, because of earring. Allowing the member to put on all those adornment because he himself was putting a long chain. He didn't know. But I'm sorry to tell you that Bishop Idahosa is in hellfire. He's crying. Idahosa went to hellfire. I saw him. He was tormented in hell. I saw Bishop Idahosa in hell. And he was putting long chain. He was wedding the church member with ring. He was also putting ring in his hand. Beloved, if you are a pastor, run away from ring. Don't wed your church member with ring, because what I'm telling you is the truth and nothing but the truth.
Hey, now wow, mommy Gio. It be like say you be God's secretary, because the way you even get update, you get and pass all these general overseers. They don't even see things reach you. But I beg, I need to ask you, where you pass, go ahead. Because you know talk say you go heaven, go tell us the things what we will do to make and to heaven. But now always hellfire. Now you always focus on. And how come you go ahead, they no come detain you? Because the kind of lie will be say you always come they give us. By now, hellfire supposed to even know recruit you. Keep you for there permanently. But this woman, it be like, I don't know the God where they show her things. Because so many things now this woman get problem with. Now she they claim say a jewelry, if you want marry, the ring where beside they use, they do the wedding. Say now sin against God. Say make people know you. Say now why men, Pastor Ben, Bishop Ben, they inside here because of that long chain when they wear and ring where beside in the way. To come what's the word? Now this woman still come as I talk say perfume. Say if they rub perfume, it no good. And say people when they even go church on Sunday say now sin. I can't they want where they we can't suppose go church. She claims say that Sunday now people where they worship sun. I don't know the kind mentality. I don't know the kind Bible where this woman they read. Where be say all her own things it they very very different. But see where be say we call me say okay fine and good. Maybe she be deeper life. Deeper life people they suppose holy now they insist they break the bone. Talk say even deeper life those of now when they use thread they plate kiko all of na hellfire. Hey now wow I beg. Which of us go heaven like this? Because as it be like say everybody. Now inside hellfire now we they go. Because a whole TB Joshua we say people they watch, but she don't talk the same what TB Joshua do. Because if you go look at be out of saying they give people, be now why he said go hell. Because I know if we reason this whole thing now. So everybody now, I don't know the kind of forgiveness we go they ask for God, because if like see our sin don't really plenty. But this woman I pity her children and her husband. Because as sure as they follow her lips, they go only think about committing suicide. Because this kind of woman there for house, even to brush teeth, if it is a sin. To even wear brush, she complains and sin. So what at all? So now raw people go they tie for body talk say they don't want sin again God. And I trust our Nigerian brothers and sisters, some of them they go they believe saying all this one at all. If you not like back and go kill on herself, they believe all this kind. These women are they very certain. Say Colorado and Igbo, now they use to cook for her. Now why if she come outside, she do always hide. You will be say you don't enjoy your life, finish, use bleaching cream, scatter your face. Now you can't decide saying you don't go heaven, you don't go hell. God don't show you something. Auntie, I beg, keep your thing for yourself. Either you direct them to your church member, but not to people on social media, because we don't tire. Now every day they bring you new one. You don't do, we don't want to hear them again. But my people who won't follow them, and they very free to follow it and I won't follow. Anyways, my viewers, now here I will end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. Kasala don burst so hey. I hear say one rain don't go cause one major destruction, and this one they happen inside Lagos around Egbeda area. And I hear say currently like 2 people now water don't carry these people go. And even 25 vehicles now in this rain don't destroy. And they surprised because all of us know say rainy season don't pass. Now cloud have been a God now won't come punish us when they pour out this kind of rain. But yes, as the thing even happen now, so many people don't get stranded. Their business don't even die because this rain really caused a big destruction for them. For my people who never see this one, you can follow me, watch. This climate change of a thing, I don't know, be able to write apology letter give them for them to change because the kind damages where they cause not be only for Africa, even foreign countries now, even their own disaster, even pass our own. But our own inside Nigeria, make we forget saying climate change. Now bad road and bad drainage system, now they cause our own. Now what even make our own worse to this extent? Because make we look at our government, they know they ever fix our road. Even if they fix road, the gutter no go there. So I beg, we wanna expect all this water and rain where they fall. We wanna expect one they go. Places where be say water supposed pass as gutter, they don't sell them as land to people. Maybe they even build house. So why be so now when they complain? What wanna expect? Now so many damages go they happen. But here say these two people say where be say water carry now their own stubbornness now make water carry them go. Say water they carry cars and things they go on a con carry now okada. Say on a one cross the place. I bet I know you understand some people. Then their village people they follow them. I mean, they just one day stubborn. How you go see this kind of heavy flow of water? And you know say this thing maybe they leak to one canal. Now then you can decide okay your own bike as na spiritual bike you won't use and cross. You see where I don't go land you. Hopefully I pray say you no go die. Maybe you go sabi swim come out of this water because this one they flow like this. People don't even get where to stand. See as people they stand on top of things just so they safe. Now na Congo they do gently and brusquely. Say na one cross one kind water. But I beg our political leaders, now this one fall into. Governor of Lagos State, now you supposed to focus on this one. Because if you put things in place, all this kind of one nobody happen. All of us know say normally Lagos they overpopulated. But at least if water things good, drainage they gutter they, at least you know say even if rain fall, maybe the rain even fall from today to tomorrow. We know say all these things go. Places go they safe. Nobody will be saying just they in the house, they focus on our own self. More things that they invest on. The major things what we need inside the country on another do. Now if disaster can't happen now, come outside with microphone. They record saying I'm sorry for the people lost now. Things what are supposed to now no put them in place. Now why they call you now? Focus on these things before things go get out of hand. Anyways, my people now here I go drop on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.